How to get followers on your Pinterest account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you get followers on your Pinterest account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Pinterest with your account. Alright, so after you open the application, you'll get such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the icon plus just at the bottom of your screen. Okay, so from here, to get the follower, you'll have to just regularly post a pin from your Pinterest account. So for that, tap on the option pin. Okay, so from here, you'll have to just select your picture or post we want to post on Pinterest account, and that will definitely help you to gain followers on your Pinterest account. So simply choose your pictures from here, and after you choose it, tap on next just at the top right corner. Okay, so from the create a pin section, you'll have to just provide a relevant title for your post or some business. So from here, you'll have to just provide any content for your title. Alright, so after you done it, in the description section, you can also add a description or mention, or you can use hashtag for your pins. So this will also help you to reach out to all of the users on Pinterest. So you can as usually use the description or hashtag on your pin, and although you can also provide a link from here. So on this section you can also provide your website, your business link, and after you done it, you can also pick a word from here, and from here you can choose a pick from here, which will definitely help you to reach out. So on the other section, you can also tag the related topic, and from your tag products, you can also tag or mentions the products from your picture whom you want to use and business. So from here you can also do it, and at the last, in the advanced setting, you can also allow the comments, so similar posts. So this is the your consent settings, and after you done it, you'll have to just tap on the option create, and after you create a pin on your Pinterest account, the Pinterest post will reach out for the users on Pinterest. So you have to just regularly create the pins on your Pinterest account, and after you do it regularly, you can easily gain the followers on your Pinterest account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.